Let's now go to main symptoms of full cold. Feeling cold. A common symptom of full cold individuals often experience a chilling sensation throughout the body, particularly in the limbs, regardless of the surrounding temperature. Cold limbs. Cold limbs are a typical indicator of full cold, manifesting as a lack of warmth in the extremities. No thirst. Individuals often have a decreased desire for beverages, particularly cold ones, and may express a desire for warm liquids to alleviate discomfort. Pale face. A pale face is a visible sign of full cold, reflecting the lack of warmth and circulation. Abdominal pain aggravated on pressure. Abdominal pain that worsens upon pressure is frequently reported, indicating internal discomfort associated with full cold. Desire to drink warm liquids. The desire to drink warm liquids highlights the body's need to counteract the cold sensations internally. Loose stools. Loose stools may occur as a result of the body's response to cold conditions affecting the digestive system. Clear, abundant urination. It can be a sign of full cold as the body's response to an imbalance. Deep, full, tight pulse. It indicates a strong presence of cold, often assessed during a physical examination. Pale tongue with thick white coating. Is a characteristic of full cold, revealing internal coldness and dampness. Physical indicators of cold in the body. So we have pale face, which indicates cold. Pale tongue reflects cold. White tongue coating suggests cold. Bluish purple tongue signals cold. Bluish lips indicate severe cold. Cold fingers and toes observed. Understanding the full cold manifestations. The Yang lens. Full cold is fundamentally linked to an excess of yin, which leads to the contraction and obstruction of bodily functions. This imbalance manifests physically in symptoms such as pervasive coldness, pain, and various digestive issues, illustrating how yin excess disrupts the natural flow of qi and enhances sensitivity to cold. Impact of exterior cold on internal organs. Understanding how external cold influences internal physiology is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment. First, stomach invasion. Cold can invade the stomach, leading to symptoms such as vomiting and epigastric pain. Next, intestinal penetration. When cold penetrates the intestines, it can result in diarrhea and abdominal pain. Uterine effects. Full cold can affect the uterus, manifesting as acute dysmenorrhea. Liver channel invasion. Cold may also invade the liver channel, causing swelling and pain in the scrotum. Thank you for your attention.